Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Crimson Desert game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the Steam application on your device, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now just type in Crimson Desert to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page. Here you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. If you scroll down, you can find the Add to Cart button alongside various bundles or edition. Click on the one that you prefer to download, and then you can click on View My Cart. When you continue towards your payment, you may use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just fill up your credentials and your billing information, and you can save this for later as well. Once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location and complete the process in just a few clicks. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Crimson Desert game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Crimson Desert on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.